Ease stress and find calm in just a few minutes with this beginner-friendly breathing meditation. Before we get started, don't forget to hit subscribe and tap the bell so you'll always catch our new meditations. Hello, LuSHiners, and welcome. Today, I'll guide you through a beginner-friendly breathing meditation. A gentle practice designed to help you relax, calm your mind, and feel more present. Breathing meditation is a simple yet powerful way to reduce stress, ease anxiety, improve focus, and connect with the present moment. Whether you're brand new to meditation or just looking to reset your nervous system, this practice is a beautiful place to begin. With just a few minutes of mindful breathing, you can feel more centered, peaceful, and grounded in your body. Let's begin. Start by finding a comfortable position, one where you can stay awake and alert, but at ease. Sitting on the floor with your legs crossed or resting in a supportive chair is perfect. Gently close your eyes or soften your gaze and rest it on a spot in the room. Now take a slow, easy breath in and exhale fully. Roll your shoulders slowly forward and then slowly back. Let your head tilt gently from side to side. Left ear towards your shoulder, and then right. Let your muscles soften, your face, your jaw, your hands, your belly, and just allow your body to begin relaxing. Now bring your attention to your breath. There's no need to change it. Just notice it. Notice how your breath flows in and out, all on its own. Let your mind gently follow that rhythm. Feel the air as it enters your nose. Let it travel down into your lungs. Then feel it leaving again softly. Your body knows exactly how to breathe. If your mind begins to wander, which it will, that's okay. When it happens, gently bring your focus back to your breath. No judgment, no pressure, just return. Notice each breath as it comes and goes. Feel the gentle rise of your chest, the soft fall of your belly. Notice the pauses, the space between the inhale and the exhale. Now let's bring in some soft counting. As you breathe in, silently count 1. As you breathe out, count 1. Inhale, 1. Exhale, 1. Continue at your own pace, letting every breath be a new beginning. Every breath, simply 1. Now gently let go of the counting. Just return to noticing your breath softly, easily. Feel how calm your breathing is now. How relaxed your body feels. And when you're ready, slowly begin to reawaken. Notice the sounds around you. Feel the surface beneath you, the texture of your clothes against your skin. Wiggle your fingers, your toes. Shrug your shoulders softly. When you're ready, open your eyes. Take a few more moments here, letting yourself fully come back into the room. Stretch out your arms and legs if that feels good, and just notice how you feel. You've just given yourself a moment of calm, a reset for your nervous system, a gift of peace. This simple breathing meditation is always here for you. Anytime you need to slow down, refocus, or just reconnect with yourself. May you move forward with ease, clarity, and a renewed sense of calm. Until next time, be well. And as always, thanks for meditating with us. Be sure to subscribe, like, and share this with someone who could use a little peace today.